Former Silicon Valley actress Alice Wetterlund has accused TJ Miller of systematic bullying and alleged that the show's male cast enabled his behavior. Miller infamously departed the HBO series last year amid bad blood with its production staff and co-star Thomas Middleditch, with series creator Mike Judge later accusing him of unprofessional on-set conduct. A year after his exit, Wetterlund, who played Pied Piper programmer Carla Walton in the second and third season, has spoken of her experience working with Miller following several months of personal controversy for him. Advertisement. Continue reading below. Alice Wetterlund in Silicon Valley. The comedian denied historic sexual assault allegations dating back to his college years in December and was arrested in April for allegedly phoning in a fake bomb threat on an Amtrak train. Writing on Twitter on Wednesday, July 18, Wetterlund alleged, "Yes. It is definitely time to rehabilitate TJ Miller's career. We can't afford to lose talent at a time like this. We need more, not less." Comedic hijinks such as checks notes calling in a fake bomb threat when a fan of Silicon Valley questioned why she was attacking a former coworker. Wetterlund responded, "I hope to not ruin it for you, but TJ Miller was a bully and petulant brat, and pretty much everyone who had any power on that, almost all male, set, including the male cast members, enabled him and were complicit in his unprofessionalism. They can K off forever. I'm pretty open about this, and I don't know if other women on the show had a different experience than me, but it was kind of a nightmare." Wetterlund also acknowledged that she didn't quit Silicon Valley because she needed a job, and she simply didn't understand that all Hollywood sets weren't so dysfunctional because it was her first regular TV role. In response to Wetterlund's allegations, HBO said in a statement, "While this is the first time we have heard Alice Wetterlund comment on her experiences on Silicon Valley, we are disappointed to learn of her concerns. HBO and the producers have always taken very seriously our responsibility to create a welcoming and congenial environment for everyone who works on the show." Since leaving the HBO comedy series, Wetterlund has gone on to star in Cameron Esposito and Rhea Butcher's cult hit comedy Take My Wife and TBS's sci-fi hit People of Earth. Digital Spy has reached out to TJ Miller's representatives for a response to her accusations. Want up-to-the-minute entertainment news and features? Just hit like on our Digital Spy Facebook page and follow on our @Digital Spy Instagram and Twitter account.